Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice hot pepper red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Class 2 trailer tow package as well as the tech package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got that nice tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, the nice whiteout Bronco logo. You do have a lift glass as well by just pressing this, and it allows you to have access to your cargo space, which is pretty nice. We do have roof rails as well as blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we do have that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do get plenty of cargo space. You got little LED lights to show you where your stuff is, 12-volt outlet, little hooks and cubbies. Hold your gear, you can turn it on from here, which is pretty nice. And lifting this up, you do get quite a bit more storage with your full-size spare tire. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice navy blue and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, the navy's on the door. Got a nice storage in the back of the seats, fans, 2 USB-Cs, and 110-volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats, the same leather and cloth interior, but we do get the nice Bronco logo on the front seats. Plenty of door space, you have memory seating for 3 drivers, and your lights and liftgate opener are all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 30.7 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Now looking at your main screen here, we do have select screen, audio, navigation, phone, display, and settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, you got your GOAT modes, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and a 12-volt. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. To my right here, we do get heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and dual climate. More storage here, storage in the glove compartment. Above me, we do have a powered moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and our nice infotainment system, which does come with navigation, all your music needs, and your phone. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capability, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, phone. There's that navigation of yours, so you don't get lost, and any apps you have downloaded, Sirius XM Travel Link, settings such as FORDPASS, Bluetooth, updates, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF60027, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.